Welcome to the Hakeem OT tutorial. Today's lesson, Count Sheet. The count sheet is a little bit tricky to use. To ensure accuracy, always take note of the following. Do not document in real time. This will make you forget some of your items, but instead, utilize the count board to total your countables and enter in the system the totals during each count stages. Do not forget to always lock your documentation by marking it as authorized. This will prevent others from messing up your documentation. And in case of investigation, it will be easier to identify who made the change. This is your count sheet. It has a facility for your countable consumables, instrument sets, individual items, and documentation for discrepancies. Let's practice with our countable consumable. I will enter values for the initial count. You have to enter the items one by one. Select an item in the drop-down menu. Enter the initial count value, then click the Add button. Repeat the whole process until you transcribed all items for the initial count. When adding values for the in-between count, always enter the total. Use the count boards in your rooms to assist you. Then click the pencil icon beside your item, then enter the value for the additional count. Do the same process when transcribing values for the subsequent counts. Again, find the pencil icon beside your item, then enter the desired quantity in their respective fields. This section is for the instrument sets. The drop-down menu contains almost all the inventory. Select your chosen set and follow the process on what we did with the consumable count earlier. For documenting individual instruments, the process is also the same. In this example, I will be documenting the addition of 2 sponge forceps. This section is for documenting count discrepancies. Please take note on all the information that is needed to complete. If you are satisfied with your documentation, mark your form as authorized, enter your password and click the Update button. To view your recently finished count sheet, scroll up and you can find your documentation. Click on it to view the form. As you have noticed, all the fields are grayed out. This means that no one can edit, change or amend the information that you have recorded. If you want to change something in the documentation, go to the bottom of the page and select Reason for Correction. The file will be unlocked and you can add more data to the form. In this scenario, I have forgotten to enter my comments regarding a throat pack left with the patient. If satisfied, enter your password and update. And the form will be locked again from editing. If you want to review on the history of all changes then to this form, you can do so by going to Review History. Remember, mark your work as authorized when handovering your case to another team. This will protect you from any liabilities if there were error in counts made after your shift is over. This concludes today's lesson. Looking forward to see you again for the next one. Have a nice day.